Hey y'all, welcome back to If It Ain't Cheap, I'm Not Buying It. So I know you guys probably already watched my Hawaiian Luau Tablescape 20. At the time of filming, I had kind of lost my voice and was not on the camera, but I'm here officially to invite y'all to my Hawaiian Luau Tablescape 20. Yes, that's going to be the title plus your hashtag. The date is June the 13th on a Saturday, always on a Saturday for any open invites at 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And I have two lovely co-hosts that are collaborating with me on this open invite. Miss Candy over at DIY CCW Designs, she is collaborating with me, and the lovely Miss Tammy at Me, Myself, and DIY. And so, if you have not subscribed to any of their channels or myself, please make sure you go over and hit the subscribe button and watch their open invite for this lovely Hawaiian Luau Tablescape 20. We are asking everybody to stay within the tropical colors of Hawaii. We are also asking, which is optional, that you may, serve some type of food that represents Hawaii. And it does not have to be indoors. It could be outside during the day. You could film it, or you could film it at night with your tiki torches. So, also, it does not have to be on your table. It could be set up as a tiki bar, some type of lounge area, any ideas that you may have. Get creative. This open invite is meant to have fun and more fun and get creative. So if I may have missed any of the talking points, always go back and watch the open invite that I did earlier today. But with that being said, I'm getting ready, y'all. Oh, I wish this was so real. I wish I could just get my ticket, go online, and get my ticket and get my luggage ready. Child, I got my lays on, and I am ready to go to Hawaii. So, get your creative ideas flowing. I want to see some beautiful tablescapes. Let's try to knock this out the box with a Hawaiian Luau Tablescape 20. And remember, keep in mind, it does not have to be inside. It could be outside in your lovely backyard. You can build a bar. You can do anything that your mind allows you to do to participate in this open invite. So, I also forgot to mention that if you are going to participate, please put down in the comments, I'll see you at the luau. Y'all stay blessed until the next video.